A study carried out by the Georgetown University's Center on Education revealed that an estimated 70% of college students work while attending school. Not all employers give shift changes or flexible work times, so those kind of jobs are done mostly during holidays. But on the other hand, there are a vast array of tasks that afford students the chance to work on shifts and weekends. Here is a list of 9 of such smart jobs. They are termed clever because the majority of the jobs also allow students to make tangible connections and learn vital life skills. 1. Customer service representative. Being a customer representative may either involve you sitting in the front desk of an office or receiving calls, sending texts and faxes to customers from somewhere else. As a customer service representative, you will be provided with necessary information about the organization to enable you to attend to customers' inquiries, questions, and complaints. When the customer's challenge is enormous, it is your job as the customer representative to direct him or her to the appropriate person. As a college student, working part-time as a service representative will not only earn you cash, but it will enable you to build relevant skills like interpersonal and adaptability skills, and also make tangible connections. 2. After-school tutor. There are endless opportunities when it comes to tutoring. You either tutor for a family near the campus or sign up for gigs on tutoring websites to teach online, or get linked to families near you who are in search for after-school tutors. You may also get registered in an after-school tutoring organization that sends you to various homes to teach children. Whichever way you follow, the job description is typically the same. It includes reviewing schoolwork with students, creating study schedules for them, helping students learn better, checking completed tasks, and developing strategies that will enhance students' overall school performance. Tron.com stated that apart from academics, tutors must serve as role models and help instill discipline to students. 3. Hotel receptionist. Hotel receptionist positions offer the potential of 24-hour scheduling that can fit well within the workdays of any college student. As a hotel receptionist, you will be able to make an average of $10.28 per hour. For a college student, graveyard shifts can be a plus, as it enables you to have some downtime which you can use for study. Your job description as a hotel receptionist may include checking in and checking out guests, communicating with maintenance and room service, answering phones, bookkeeping, and other added services. Working in a hotel can afford you the opportunity to meet new people and network. 4. Interpreter or translator. So, you are fluent in more than one language, foreign or native. Translators work with written text remotely or as freelancers. They transcribe websites and documents for organizations and individuals, while interpreters have most language transcribed or interpreted and are required to work in person at school functions, outreaches, and courthouses. Both options are flexible and are excellent opportunity for language or linguistic students. The pay for translators and interpreters is much dependent on the language and any other secondary task the translator or interpreter may carry out. 5. Blogging. Blogging is fast becoming a lucrative venture. As a college student, it is assumed that you know how to write. To be a successful blogger, you must choose a particular niche and be passionate about it. WordPress.com and Blogger.com are platforms that allow you to set up your blog for free. For your blog to grow, it must look lovely and your contents must be excellent. Earnings can come from Google AdSense or affiliate marketing from other brands, but it all boils down to the amount of traffic your blog generates. You do not have to get it all figured out from scratch. As time goes on, you will learn more about it. Although the cash may not start coming immediately, with dedication and continuous learning, you will be thrilled at the amount of money your blog can give you. 6. Lawn mowing. If you are a college student and you have access to lawn mowing tools like a truck, lawnmower, or an edger, then you should make use of the equipment and make some cash. The exciting part of this business is that grass grows in the summertime than any other season, so you will be able to mow lawns while you do not have any classes. You can earn an average of $25 per hour to mow a yard, and if you work 5 hours a week, by the end of the month you should be making up to $500. So don't just allow the mowing equipment to sit idle in your yard. Use it to make yourself some money. 7. Social Media Manager. Do you spend a lot of time using social media? Are you acquainted with a few tools used in various social media platforms? Then you can start making money with that knowledge even while in school. Being a social media manager means being able to use multiple tools to plan, organize, and analyze content on social media platforms of organizations and individuals. And the best social media managers are the ones that are accustomed to the platforms and enjoy being there. Except you are working full-time for an organization that requires your presence, the job of a social media manager is flexible and best suits a college student. This job favors college students as you will be able to shuffle between school activities and work, and the pay is also excellent. 8. Computer Assistant. Are you knowledgeable in basic computer appreciation packages like typing, MS Word, MS Excel, or do you have a PC? Then you should consider working as a computer operator. You can either create gigs and work freelance or work in a physical organization. Your job description may include typing, arranging, and printing documents with Microsoft Word, using Microsoft Excel for calculations, and Microsoft Access for databases. Many schools employ students to work as part-time operators in libraries, computer laboratories, etc. 9. Dog Walker. Do you have a liking for pets? Then you can channel your love for dogs into money making as a college student. It involves walking the dogs of individuals who are too busy to take their dogs for a walk. To start, you can print small handbills and share to people, or you can go directly to neighbors who have dogs and request to render your services. There are also websites like Rover, which allows you to find people who need the services of a dog walker. And the higher your experience working with farm animals and reptiles, the higher your earnings. Depending on location and duties performed, you can earn an average of $15 to $40 per hour for dog walking. You can take a step further and host daycares and overnight pet sits, which can provide twice the amount of money as a dog walking. Life on campus is not as easy as it seems. Many students encounter pressure from social anxiety, parents, and even stressful classes. But the most overwhelming demand is that of student loan debt. Nonetheless, each of these jobs mentioned offers to students the support that they require to keep them afloat up until their graduation.